So I have here licorice powder, vitamin C powder, and also I have in there mine. So sorry guys, I thought I was recording this, not knowing I wasn't recording. So let me quickly explain this. I just put in 1.5 teaspoon of base cream, and I added carrot oil, papaya oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, glycerin. I added the smelling fragrance just to allow the cream to smell good, and I also add in some rose water just to loosen it. That's the ingredient I just added to this cream we are seeing here. I'm so sorry, I thought I was recording. Okay, so this is all these ingredients gave me this consistency, or this combo, or this cream. Okay, so yeah, and this smells so nice on this. This smells so nice. I'm so sorry. So that is it. I'm just going to pour it into this jar here. Okay, this small jar here. It's already sanitized. Okay, so guys, this is our yummy cream. Looks so beautiful. So I'm just going to scoop it here. Just making sure everywhere is filled, so there'll be no space in it. So guys, this is our brightening cream, looking all nice and yummy. It looks like ice cream. So guys, this is our brightening cream, looking all nice and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video to this stage, and please do well to like, share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.